तो आपको अगर हम यहाँ एक्सप्लेन करना चाह रहे हैं इसकी फोटोग्राफ्स आप
रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट है,
हैं?
आप करें।
अच्छा, rightly this is our main warehouse, and we call it a raw material warehouse as far as all the active pharmaceutical ingredients and all the excipients are concerned. Once we can move here as far as the flow is concerned. So we receive the raw material, and the raw material is being unloaded from that side. The truck is unloaded there, and we de-dust all those, if at all some sort of dust is there. Then we shift that materials into this. This is our quarantine area. And the documentation is done, the intimation is being carried out for the quality control department, quality assurance department for sampling. So once the sampling is done, and whatever the status is there, is it rejected or bored, or if it is obviously released, and then we move this, the whole lot, the whole consignment to the released area. So we shift all those released consignments, all those released materials into this area. This is being, we have like almost 3 levels for these storage area. One was the basement, and this is a ground floor, and at the same time level 1 we have all the packaging material storage area. We are also maintaining this all consignments as the documentation is concerned with all in the ERP system. All these plates you can see here, they are, we can indicate, we can dedicate as far as these plates are concerned, the codification is concerned, that this particular pallet, this particular lot is defined in the ERP system. And at that same time, obviously as far as the storage requirements are concerned, the good storage practices are concerned, we are maintaining as per our specifications from humidity point of view, and at the same time from temperature point of view. So we are also making a sort of logging as a data history for 24/7 as per the temperatures are concerned. So we are keeping all those data loggers into different locations like this one, and it shows even for the last 6 months, for 1 year. Obviously, if we connect this one to our IT system, that will give the whole hour by hour, minute by minute, if you can go even beyond 6 months back. So this will show you. So this is a monitoring system, and at the same time, from safety point of view, we have all those alarm systems in this warehouse. All this ceiling is, all those points are located. If God forbid, if at all some sort of fire is there, so all smoke detectors are being placed every row. So if smoke is detected by that alarm, the alarm will blow, and at the same time, this intimation goes to the, first of all to the, obviously here, and then to the security gate, where obviously the HSC department is there, and if at all in off days or off working, like after 5 p.m. or on Saturdays or Sundays, definitely this alarm system is again there, going to the gate at the same time, and at the same time to the people who are concerned in their mobile. So it's a very good sort of safety foolproof system, you can say. One thing I want also to explain, that this store, whatever the materials are we are procuring, it's all the validated and the qualified vendors. We have a complete SOP to how to validate and how to qualify our suppliers, our vendors, especially from raw materials point of view, from excipient point of view, and most important is from API, active pharmaceutical ingredient point of view. So you can say we have a sort of global market in front of us from procurement point of view. We all get, once the product is qualified, the vendor is qualified, it is validated, and then we proceed for such sort of areas into this one. We have a very defined, you can say, the sanitation system, the hygienic condition system, and we have also at the same time good training schedule spreading throughout the year. It's not only in the warehouse, to the all technical areas, including production, quality control, quality assurance, even engineering, supply chains, regulatory. So we keep on, doing all these training sessions in-house, and also we also invite people as a trainer from outside whenever and when the subject is required. And the training is not only for sort of technical mean officers or the management cadre. It starts from even from the sanitation worker up to the director's level. So we have a defined schedule throughout the year. The speakers are there, and the people are being from workers' point of view, from SOP's point of view, whatever the requirement as per GMP requirement it's we always do like that. So this is, as I was telling you, it is a warehouse system with a huge capacity, as you can have a look on that one. And all these, even the rackings, these are all imported from Germany. And you can say we can have a variation, or we can have a sort of we can accommodate as per our requirement. We can fix these pallets areas as per our requirements wherever we requiring such area. From this we can now move as per the floor, obviously, to the warehouse, we say the dispensing area. We need there. We have also 2 cargo lifts because, as I was telling you, we have 3 levels of the storage area. Cargo 1 lift and cargo 2 lift is there. As per the requirement, if it is obviously required from the level 1 or from level 2 to the basement, we use these cargo lifts to that area. The sampling booth was there. Now once everything is released and we get the you can say planning or the forecast from the sales department through supply chain, and supply chain then to the production areas to start this sort of processing of the main production area. So as I was telling you, it's a process flow. Once everything is you get help from everything, all those containers, all those as per requirement, they are being brought here, and then we have you can say the 2 passages. One is change room for the personnel, for the people who will enter into the dispensing area, and the other 2 is segregated and separate passage for the materials through this trolley. Once everything is there and we go for the dispensing, these are then dispensed there as per formula, as per the requirement of the product, everything is dispensed there. Then from that area, obviously now the dispensed material is the property of production people. Now the production people now start their processing steps as the production functions are concerned. We move first step into the granulation area. Again, we have a segregated passages for materials entrance and at the same time personnel entrance. What we do now, this is a buffer zone, because we are entering from external corridor into the main function area. We have a sort of flush air, purified flush air system, and this is again a double door system. If that door is open, external door is open, it cannot be open because of the interlocking system. So we move into this area, and on our left, I was telling you, the first is the storage room for the now process of the production activity. The first one is the sugar crushing area. Obviously, we have dry powder suspensions, and the main ingredient or the main, you can say, ratio is the sugar itself. So we do crush all those sugars because obviously from dry powder suspension we need a specific particle size or as far as grain is concerned. So once everything is done from that point of view, so this front area is the wet mixing area. You can see it's a high shear mixer with the capacity of almost 150 kilogram. From the production point of view. So wetting is being done here, and you can also see all those differential manometers are placed or installed every workshop, in every workshop, to make sure that the production workshop itself are the negative pressure, And the corridors, I mean external to that workshop, is the positive pressure. Just to make a confidence that once the door opens of the workshop, the activity which is being done in the workshop, it should not come out into the external corridor, just to avoid any sort of cross-contamination. So once we move into the wetting, the next step is obviously it's a drying. It's a fuel bed dryer. Again, almost 150 to 200 kilogram of the capacity. Drying is done here as per the requirements of the. It varies from product to product as far as the drying time is concerned. And this is one of the very efficient, you can say, equipment from drying point of view. Olden days have gone when the people were using this sort of spray dryer, which was obviously a long time taking, and if something is, I mean, at that time was done within like 8 to 16 hours, this fluid bed dryer takes almost 40 to 45 minutes, and at the same time the uniformity of the drying is more very good in that fluid bed dryer. Then next, after the